Zhejiang Meimi Technology Company Limited was founded in 2015. The company is located in the world-famous Chinese small commodity base, Yiwu. Company registered capital of 10 million yuan, the construction area of 12,000 square meters, has 100,000 level of GMP clean production workshop. The development section, Dear Bobby, Poem Body, Honey Sun, Luxuries, Tate and other brands of cosmetics, disinfection products, products exported to the America, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and over 100 countries and regions. Is a collection of personal care cosmetics, disinfection products research and development, manufacturing, sales for the integration of production enterprises and brand operating companies. The company has a total of 240 countries of international registered trademarks, has authorized invention patents 15, utility model patents 7, appearance patents over 300, more than 300 copyright. For the company's product development and brand operation and development to provide strong support. The company has GMP, ISO 22716, GMP 211, BSCI certification, and cooperates with different international famous brands. Since its transformation in 2009, the company has started to produce and sell its own brands, which are sold in more than 80 countries. It has been awarded as National High-Tech Enterprise, Zhejiang Provincial Science and Technology Enterprise, Yiwu Science and Technology Enterprise. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to visit us and sincerely look forward to establishing good business relationships with customers.